Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air hockey tables that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Queencell 4-in-1 mini game table. This versatile tabletop game is perfect for families or anyone who loves variety in their game nights. It includes 4 classic games: air hockey, ping pong, foosball, and pool. With dimensions of 28 inches by 14.9 inches, it's compact yet provides enough space for exciting gameplay. Plus, it comes with all the accessories needed for each game, making it an all-in-one entertainment centerpiece. The build quality of the Queencell 4-in-1 is sturdy and durable, with a wooden frame and stable legs designed to withstand enthusiastic play. However, the assembly process is a bit more involved compared to other products on this list, and due to its multi-game design, the air hockey table doesn't have the same level of airflow as a dedicated air hockey table. Still, its compact design makes it convenient to store and transport, and the easy game swapping mechanism means you can switch between games in seconds. While the air hockey experience here is more basic, the value comes from the versatility. If you're looking to entertain a crowd with multiple games in one compact product, this is a great option. However, if air hockey is your main focus, you might prefer a table that's specifically dedicated to that game. Pros include its variety and durability, while cons are its average airflow and smaller playing area. At number 4, we have the TALLO tabletop air hockey table. This 24-inch compact table is designed for kids and families who want a lightweight, portable air hockey experience. It's battery-operated, requiring 3 AA batteries, and features a built-in AC 12-volt motor that provides decent airflow for smooth puck movement. Measuring 24 inches by 12.8 inches, it's easy to carry and set up anywhere, whether it's a game room, backyard, or even a camping trip. The TALLO table is made of engineered wood, which gives it a sturdy feel despite its lightweight design. The assembly is quick and straightforward, and it comes with all the necessary accessories, including 2 pushers, 2 pucks, and a manual scoring system. While the airflow is good enough for casual play, it's worth noting that it doesn't quite match the power of plug-in models. Still, the overall experience is enjoyable and perfect for younger players or those who want a portable option. This table is an excellent choice for families with kids, as it's safe, easy to use, and affordable. However, advanced players may find the gameplay too basic, and the reliance on batteries can be a drawback for extended sessions. Pros include its portability and ease of use, while cons are the limited airflow power and the need for frequent battery replacements. Taking the 3rd spot is the Point Games hockey table, a mini table designed for kids and families. This tabletop air hockey game features a lightweight, compact build that makes it easy to play on any flat surface. The air-powered puck glides smoothly thanks to its battery-operated motor, which creates just enough airflow for fun, fast-paced action. It's a fantastic introduction to air hockey for younger players. The design is colorful and fun, with smooth edges for safety. It includes built-in scorekeepers on both sides, which is a handy feature for competitive matches. The setup is straightforward, and it comes with 2 pucks, 2 pushers, and goal plates. However, the table does require 3 C batteries, and the airflow is more suitable for casual play than professional-level matches. This table is ideal for kids aged 3 and up, and is a great way to encourage hand-eye coordination and interactive play. Its portability and easy setup make it perfect for family game nights or quick matches. On the downside, the materials feel less durable compared to higher-end models, and the airflow may not satisfy more serious players. Pros include its kid-friendly design and ease of use, while cons are its lightweight build and basic gameplay experience. In 2nd place, we have the KLASK magnetic game, a unique twist on traditional air hockey. Combining elements of foosball and air hockey, KLASK is an award-winning game that's perfect for parties, family nights, or casual gatherings. The game is played on a wooden tabletop field, where players use magnetic handles to control their strikers and aim to score goals. Additionally, the gameplay involves avoiding magnetic obstacles called biscuits, adding a layer of strategy and skill. Designed in Denmark, KLASK boasts a premium wooden finish and a compact, portable design. It comes fully assembled, and its gameplay is fast, frantic, and thoroughly engaging. While it doesn't have the traditional air-powered surface of other tables, its magnetic gameplay offers a refreshing and innovative alternative. The game is lightweight and easy to transport, making it suitable for any flat surface. KLASK is an excellent choice for those who want a more strategic, skill-based game with an air hockey vibe. It's ideal for kids and adults alike, and the 10-minute matches are perfect for quick, competitive fun. However, if you're looking for a classic air hockey experience, this might not be the table for you. Pros include its unique gameplay and high-quality design, while cons are its lack of traditional airflow and limited resemblance to standard air hockey. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the EastPoint Tabletop Hover Hockey Pro. This table delivers the best value for its price, offering a full air hockey experience in a compact, portable design. It features an air-powered surface, providing smooth and fast puck movement that rivals larger, more expensive tables. The built-in LED scoreboard adds a competitive edge, allowing players to easily keep track of their goals. With dimensions of 21.57 inches by 13.27 inches, the EastPoint Tabletop Hover Hockey Pro is perfect for tabletop play. Its lightweight plastic construction makes it easy to set up anywhere, and it comes with 2 pushers and 2 pucks for uninterrupted matches. The airflow is consistent and strong enough to mimic a full-size table, making it a fantastic option for both kids and adults. This table strikes the perfect balance between quality, performance, and affordability. Whether you're looking for a fun addition to family game night or a portable option for casual play, it delivers in every aspect. While it's not as robust as professional tables, its compact size and value-packed features make it our top pick. Pros include its powerful airflow, LED scoreboard, and affordable price, while cons are its lightweight build and smaller playing area. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.